Good evening. This is Dilip BM from Sriji Trans Logistics Limited. See, in regard to Sriji, Sriji is catering in carrying of export and import or transshipment cargo. And what we are carrying the cargo from dry port to the gateway ports. As we have it's very cost effectiveness, and as well as the agents and the freight forwarders can clear the cargo at their doorsteps. And also the freight is very less compared to the domestic air freights. And the main advantages of bonded trucking is we can carry the odd dimension cargo, we can carry DG cargo, we can carry reefer cargo, the cargo which cannot be carried in the passenger aircrafts we can carry by road. And also the advantage of biggest advantage of the bonded trucking is it's a very cost effectiveness compared to the domestic carriers.
Okay. And considering the advancement in infrastructure, and you have the AEO certification also.
Yes.
So how would you elaborate on this significance?
Significance, the government of India has made some standards where we can, if we are having certain parameters, we will get the AEO certification, that is Airport Economic Operator, issued by the customs department. So certain criteria are there. If we are having a AEO certificate, it is like an ISO certificates for a company standards. But in case of we are having an AEO certification, we get some benefits from the customs where we need not to give a bank guarantees, as we are one of the trusted bonded trucking operator recognized by the customs.
Okay. And do you still consider like high cost is a challenge in bonded trucking, or is it high cost is still a challenge in bonded trucking?
No, high cost is not a challenge. High cost and the low cost, whatever the trucking, what we decide. But if we carry the cargo by air, for example, the cargo which is getting cleared in Bangalore, it has to connect the cargo via Bombay. But if the cargo Bangalore Bombay it goes by air, it is very expensive. They can move by road itself. It will be really good actually.
And now, like airports are coming in the tier 2, tier 3 cities. So, how do you see the scope of bonded trucking?
It's really good where the tier 2, tier 3 airports are coming out under Udan scheme. Each and every states are getting 2 to 3 airports every year, and the cargo can be cleared at their doorsteps itself. If cargo is having they no need to come to the major airport to do the clearance, and they can clear the cargo at their city itself, and from there they can utilize the bonded trucking facilities to connect the cargo to the gateway ports.
And how do you see the infrastructure, developments and technology plays a role?
It's really fantastic provided by the government of India. The infrastructure now the roads are very good. Now the cashless price tag tolls have come. Only the through FASTag it can go, and now the digitalization is happening, where we can fill the fuel to the driver through the cards, petrol cards and all. No need to give the cash to the driver to fill the fuel and all. And then through the digital, the GPS is there, and through tracking is there, and through Sriji we are having a digital locking, where apart from the customs OTL seals, we put the digital locks, and those locks will be operated from the office itself. En route nobody can be opened. Okay, and when the truck reaches the destination, he will inform to the team, okay, but truck has reached, and when our team puts the passport and open the lock, then only the truck door will be opened.
Thank you.
Thank you.